Hey guys, what's up? How's it going with you guys today? Alright, new video from Passive Passion Online Income where I'm going to be talking about the importance of audiobooks and why you guys should not be ignoring or neglecting it, especially if you are into the self-publishing business. Now, to begin with, for people that do not know what an audiobook is a kind of a book which is basically downloaded from systems that could be the Amazon system. It could be basically any retail shop, okay, online or offline, where you can purchase your audiobooks. You can download it and listen to it. All right. So if you can buy an ebook, if you can buy a print book or a paperback book, you can also buy an audiobook. Audiobook is popular with people who ain't big fans of ebooks and paperback books. I prefer basically listening to it while driving, while going to the park for a walk, for a jog, and at the same time, I mean, they just prefer listening to audiobooks in comparison to ebooks or paperback books. Now, since 2016, the sales of audiobooks has been growing phenomenally well. Okay, I was reading an article a few days ago where I was checking the stats of the sales of ebooks, paperback books, and audiobooks. Ebooks has been doing well since it has been launched by the Amazon industries or by the Amazon stores. Paperback books as well, in comparison to ebooks, has been building or bringing in significant profits. However, the rise of audiobooks is something which has been very interesting and fascinating for pretty much not just the publishers but also for the avid readers and listeners. The sales of audiobooks in the year 2016 alone has been $2.1 billion in the US market alone. Take note of that. $2.1 billion and above for the US market only. So if you were to take markets like the UK, the European market, the Canadian, the Australian market, you could just imagine and fathom the significance it has brought into the diaspora out there. So my advice to the people watching this video will be, if you are in the self-publishing game, please do ensure that you do not neglect the concept and the importance of putting out your books in the audible.com store or the ACX store. Now, if you would get started with the self-publishing business, you would know what exactly the ACX and the audible.com store is. If you're looking for a good course that teaches you the basics, the tips and tricks, and the effective strategies to get your audiobooks out there and make a killing, then that course is the Audio Income Academy. All right, I've provided the link in the description below. Do check it out. Do get started. And do not waste time, guys. If you're thinking that you're just going to keep making money with the ebooks and paperback books, and no, you got to keep yourself abreast with the latest technology. You got to keep yourself abreast with the latest information, that's happening. And audiobooks is the best market that is just growing, phenomenally well. So check out the course, get started ASAP, all right, and keep crushing it. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.